Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to install Bootstrap in React application. As you know that Bootstrap is a very famous CSS library that have predefined CSS classes for making a better application. So for installing this, just first of all create a new command prompt. From here, go there and type npm install bootstrap, press enter, and it will install the bootstrap on your machine, on your React application. Now install. Now then we have to go to the index file, and here I just import here, and I say bootstrap like this. Then we have dist folder, then we have css folder, then we have bootstrap.css file. Save it. So we just compile and save it. Now I need to use bootstrap. So for that I am using here class attribute. I say class name. Under this I type btn primary and margin of 2. So I just copy this also, and I just paste under button also. I just paste here also, and here I will use warning in place of primary class, and you see we have the beautiful output. This is warning, this is primary color, and this is the bootstrap classes which we are using. So you have seen that how we can use bootstrap in our components in our React library, React application. So we have installed bootstrap in this video, we have used bootstrap, and we make our component beautiful also like this. Same you can do. If you don't know bootstrap, please go to the bootstrap website. It's a very famous website. Just type here bootstrap and just go to the first website, go to the documentation, and here we have so much of library. If you want to use about this, just type here btn class, and you have the classes here, or you may go to the individual button like this here, and we have the information about buttons. You see we have button primary, secondary, success. So you can use any class which you want. Just go to this bootstrap website and learn about bootstrap. It's a very simple, 1 or 2 days you will be familiar with this. And if you don't know bootstrap, don't worry, just you do as I did here. I just use these classes one by one. We will learn all the classes and their use. So we are using here, and we just format this with the help of bootstrap. So I think you learn something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.